Hello, everyone. Welcome to Slow Accent English. Today, you will learn English step by step with a simple and easy conversation for beginners. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and practice with confidence. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Let's get started. Hello, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. You can sit here.
Thank you. My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Lily.
Nice to meet you too, Lily. Are you new here?
Yes, it's my first day at this school.
Oh, really? Me too. I don't know many people yet.
Same here. I feel a little nervous.
Me too, but I think it will get better.
Yes, I hope so. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. And you?
I'm from Italy.
That's nice. Do you like this city?
Yes, it's very beautiful, but it's a bit big for me.
I understand. It's big for me too.
What do you study?
I study business. And you?
I study English and history.
That's interesting. Do you like learning English?
Yes, but sometimes it's difficult to speak.
I feel the same. Listening is easier than speaking.
Exactly.
Maybe we can practice together.
That's a great idea.
Do you have English classes every day?
Yes, I have English classes 5 days a week.
That's good. Practice is important.
Yes, I try to study a little every day.
Me too. I watch videos and listen to music in English.
That's a good method. I watch movies with subtitles.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like romantic and comedy movies. And you?
I like action and adventure movies.
That's cool.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading, listening to music, and going out with my friends.
I like sports and traveling.
Traveling is amazing. I want to visit many countries.
Me too. Maybe one day we can travel and practice English together.
That would be great.
Do you want to study together after class today?
Yes, why not? That's a good idea.
Perfect. Let's meet at the library.
Okay, what time?
At 4 p.m.
Sounds good. See you later.
See you later, Lily.
Bye, Alex.
Bye.